you have a ratchet?
I do.
Or do you have you hook it to your drill, put it in reverse?
There's 4 bolts, so we do.
Oh.
Well, that's a lot easier.
What? That's what I was trying to say. That's why they make those tools. You have to hold that up while you're doing it?
No, but I got it. You're blocking the camera now.
I'm sorry.
You gotta be video savvy.
Oh, man. So my ass is in there.
Your ass is in the shot. Hi everybody, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe and hit the notification buttons below. So today we're going to be removing some body parts off the frame, and as it just so happens, as I was finishing inventory Friday morning, that afternoon I had some family come in, so it was a perfect opportunity to have them come and help me take the body off the car because it's a multi-person job. And you know, in today's world, everybody's super busy and going crazy, and you know, our lifestyles are all crazy, so it's not so easy to summon a few people, because I live alone, to pick this thing up. So it's kind of perfect timing for me. So when the body comes in, there's all sorts of industrial type black tape that holds your doors on, holds the, there's some red tape too, but holds your doors on, holds your dash, your waterfall, your trunk, and the front end of the main body is also taped on. And then there's a few screws or bolts, if you want, screws I guess technically, that are in the car holding that body on. And then you have to lift the body off, but you have to make sure that you clear the back of the trunk and also the front end by the firewall. So let me show you some of those details, and then I'll show you where we put the body. So supposedly 2 people could do this, but probably better with 3.
How heavy is it?
Oh, it's probably heavy. So
What's holding it?
it needs to be stretched out and then brought up, but I'm assuming the back is not bolted yet. So normally I'd say 2 people could lift that body off the car, but we had to huff it over this wall. And so having 3 people kind of helped get that body over the wall. And so I ended up taking the car and actually storing it on the back patio. So we got our coupe top sitting right there, and then I have the body over here, and I have it propped up on this box, which needs a little adjustment there. So that tape actually leaves a residue, and I got 3/4 of it off the body, but there's some still here and here that I have to get, and then a little bit on the other side. But I spent like an hour or two getting all that off. You can see this used to have tape on it, it's all gone, but there's some at the bottom. And then you can see all the way up here I removed most of it. So I guess this is my official body number, but let's see. P65 warning. The warning is actually on coffee cups. It's crazy. So anyways, I have these things ready to go, and not sure the next time I'll need to put these on, but I'll have to get some neighbors or friends to come over and help me put it on and do what I need to do. You know, it's not so simple like, hey, thanks, put it on. I might need to take it off to put it on 2 or 3 times, so it's something that you probably need to have some people hang out for a little bit as you're trying to adjust things. Well, that's it for today. Stay till next time to where I actually start figuring out how to approach the project and doing some actual work. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and have a great day.